So you could, yeah.
I don't, no license is common.
A closet, right?
Well, garage. Two kids just walking around. No, that's a grandmother walking with her grandson. Yeah, that's pretty good. 1, 3, 8, 4, 8. Right here. Necessary person property right here.
Only 12,000 more previous house. Oh, that's pretty nice. Community of Lay Hill.
Really a small amount of grass, honey.
Okay.
I чистили. I think they scrubbed the floor some places, not all the places. Clearly, they didn't have it here. And that strong smells like that. It's what I like hiding.
Ah, they do, yeah.
Okay. Well, that's a nice entryway. The floors are nice. Oh, nice office.
It's 3 miles away.
Down because of its price.
How much is it?
$865.
Storage. So this is a basement.
Yep. Oh, this is a basement. Oh.
What neighborhood? No, I don't think I brought my charge cord.
What is this neighborhood? Huh? Springbrook. Yeah. Okay. Presume. Сколько?
This is $875, I think. But that is like.
Yeah, very stately. But this is all state, let's not forget. But
Right.
We see the
Кухня, посмотрите. Вот так красивенько.
How does that look out there?
Very nice. И basement такой. Ну тут
Woodmore neighborhood. The first neighborhood I walked around.
So, and we have to stop at Pike and Rose for a drink.
Yes.